know them niggas. Shout out to my bros, I'm still rolling with ya. Everything I do is like a motion picture. My life is a movie, tell them roll a picture. Y'all rappers is pussy, I don't know them niggas. Shout out to my bros, I'm still rolling. I've been living with the rats and the hoes on the mat with the bows and all of the past lows when you rap, I suppose. And all of the action when you lack to compose. What you willing to give to get back what you owe. What you willing to bid when you trapped in the mode and maintaining the front to confront what you told. Mainlining the line in the front uncontrolled. Now they look at me to console. I don't give a fuck about none of you nagging niggas, you negative. You would rather be rapping average and never competitive. You would rather inhabit habits and have a repetitive than establish a standard that we could actually relish in. That's how I feel when I glance at the field. Y'all follow trends, I'm advancing my skill. I take a part of what's polished and leave it demolished so I could come back and rebuild. Built with the thought process of a young artist with a one art test. When it's war, I'm pressed. When I hop in the crowd and I scorn y'all reps, I was raised in the rich in the small projects. I don't make light of my faults. I see the threat and the line I will cross. I will take all of my fears, the man they appear, and put them in song.